Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step roadmap to mastering data engineering. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to upskill, this roadmap is designed to help you succeed in this high-demand field. Stick around to learn about the skills, tools, certifications, and resources you'll need to start and grow your career as a data engineer. First, let's talk about what data engineering is and why it's so important. Data engineers design, build, and maintain systems that handle large volumes of data, ensuring it's accessible and reliable for analysis and decision-making. They're the backbone of modern businesses, powering machine learning models and analytics tools. Now let's talk about the opportunities. The average salary for a data engineer ranges between $90,000 and $150,000 annually, depending on your experience and location. The demand for data engineers is growing rapidly across industries like tech, healthcare, finance, and retail. But here's the thing, mastering data engineering isn't just about learning tools. It's about building a strong foundation, gaining hands-on experience, and staying updated on trends. In this video, I'll walk you through a structured learning plan that's practical, actionable, and beginner-friendly. Let's start with the foundations. Step 1. Learn programming in databases. This is where you'll build your core technical skills. Start with Python, which is essential for data manipulation and scripting. A great resource for this is the book Python Crash Course by Matthes. Focus on chapters 1 through 9 to cover the basics. Next, move on to SQL, which is the language of databases. SQL allows you to query and manage relational databases, a critical skill for any data engineer. I recommend the Coursera course SQL for Data Science by UC Davis. Complete the first 4 weeks to get a solid foundation. Practice is key at this stage. Work on real-world SQL challenges using platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank. For Python, create a script to manipulate CSV files and automate simple tasks. Spend about 6 to 8 weeks mastering these basics. Now, let's move on to data engineering essentials, where you'll dive into ETL pipelines, big data systems, and distributed computing. ETL stands for extract, transform, load, the process of collecting data, cleaning it, and storing it in a database or data warehouse. Start with the book Fundamentals of Data Engineering by Reis and Matthes Housley. Focus on chapters 2 through 5 to learn about ETL and data pipeline design. Next, get familiar with distributed computing systems like Hadoop and Spark. I recommend the Coursera course Big Data Essentials by Yandex. Modules 1 through 4 will give you a strong foundation in these tools. For hands-on experience, build a basic ETL pipeline in Python. For example, extract data from an API, transform it into a readable format, and load it into a database. You can also experiment with Hadoop using a cloud service like AWS or Google Cloud. This phase should take you 8 to 10 weeks. Step 3 is about cloud platforms and advanced tools. As a data engineer, you'll often work with cloud-based systems for data storage and processing. Start by learning the basics of cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. For example, AWS offers storage solutions like Shri, and Google Cloud has BigQuery for data warehousing. A great course to start with is the Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer course on Coursera. Focus on modules 3 through 7 to learn about data storage and processing in the cloud. Workflow orchestration tools like Apache Airflow are also essential. Check out the YouTube video Introduction to Apache Airflow by Data Engineer Things. For practice, set up a cloud-based data pipeline. For example, use Google Cloud's BigQuery and Dataflow to process and analyze data. This phase takes about 10 to 12 weeks. Finally, let's talk about advanced topics and specialization. This is where you'll master real-time data processing and advanced pipelines. Learn tools like Apache Kafka for streaming data and dive into data warehouse design. The book Designing Data-Intensive Applications by Martin Klutman is a must-read. Focus on chapters 6 through 9 to understand real-time processing and distributed systems. For an advanced course, try data engineering on Google Cloud on Coursera. Modules 8 through 12 cover advanced techniques. Build a real-time data pipeline using Kafka and design a data warehouse schema for a mock e-commerce platform. This phase will take 12 to 16 weeks, depending on your pace. Once you've completed these steps, it's time to apply your knowledge. Build an end-to-end project to showcase your skills, such as a data pipeline that integrates Apache Airflow, Spark, and a cloud platform. Host your projects on GitHub and create a detailed portfolio. Certifications are also crucial. Consider earning the Google Professional Data Engineer or AWS Certified Data Analytics credentials to validate your expertise. To stay updated, follow industry blogs like Towards Data Science and join communities like Data Engineering on Reddit or the Data Talks Club Slack group. And there you have it, a comprehensive roadmap to mastering data engineering. By following this plan, you will gain the knowledge, skills, and confidence to build a successful career in this exciting field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone looking to start their data engineering journey. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.